Hidden in the shadows, a legend sleeps.
The 1967 Shelby Cobra 427.
A racing icon, forgotten by time. These pipes once roared like thunder. The cockpit is silent now. But the soul is still there. Tired, broken, and neglected.
Time to bring it into the light.
In the daylight, the damage is clear.
This won't be an easy fix.
We're taking it back to the shop. Every bolt fights back. Let's see the heart of the beast.
The 427 V8. Messy, but massive.
Welcome to the Restoration Bay.
Glass is gone.
Suspension is shot.
Teardown begins now.
Stripping the interior. Getting these heavy pipes off.
Pulling the 427. Oh, the heart is out.
Now we have room to work.
Here is the skeleton. Blasting away 50 years of rust.
Separating body from frame.
The shell is incredibly light.
Hot tank in the block. New forged pistons. Tearing down the engine. Precision is key here.
Those valve covers are iconic.
The beast is ready to roar again.
Smoothing out the aluminum skin.
Perfecting the curves.
Sanding until it's glass smooth.
Laying down the primer.
Wet sanding for the ultimate finish.
Mixing the legendary Guardsman Blue. First coat of blue. Adding the white stripes.
Locking it in with clear coat.
Letting it cure.
Sanding the clear for mirror reflection.
Buffing to a high shine.
Look at that depth. Reuniting the body and frame. Locked in place.
Dropping the engine in. Lisa's duty.
Installing the side pipes.
The windshield completes the silhouette.
Adding the jewelry. Giving it eyes.
Wiring up the cockpit.
Oh. Fresh leather interior.
The pilot's control.
Ready to shift.
Interior is complete.
Classic Hallebrand wheels. Big rubber for big power.
Knocking the spinners tight. Closing the hood. Closing the hood.
The roll bar adds that race car look.
Wearing its badges with pride.
It is finished.
From dust to glory. The stance is menacing. The color is mesmerizing.
Listen to that idle. Let's take it for a drive.
Freedom.
Pure speed.
Man and machine.
It handles like a dream.
Shining in the sun.
A blur of blue and white.